SCE Gaskets.
And I'm Mark Malberg with Digital Metrology.
We're here at Strub Technologies at the Engine Performance Expo 2024. Mark and I were just kind of cruising around, taking a look at all this impressive equipment, checking out one of these Power Stroke cylinder heads here that they have done. This is their standard operating procedure for deck surface quality. Mark, we measured this thing and it was a 7RA.
Yeah, it looks pretty, doesn't it? I mean, we can kind of see a little bit of that machining, but it's fine. That's a fine surface. But how would that act if we squish the gasket into it? Is it just the surface finish that you would care about?
No, it's definitely waviness. With my naked eye, I don't see any waviness, but Mark, can I see waviness with my naked eye?
Well, there's the challenge. We can't really see waviness. The humps are so gradual to our eye, they don't change the way light reflects.
So what if I lay a straight gauge across here and I try and go with the 2000 feeler gauge?
You're getting better. You're getting closer. And it's going to depend on you guys and your gasket. How does it feel about bending? Ultimately, we need to put a skidless roughness gauge on that surface and take a trace at that micrometer, or millionth of an inch kind of level, and see what those shapes are and whether or not we're going to be able to fill those shapes.
Absolutely. Gasket sealing is a huge issue for everybody. Kind of always gets put off like it's a commodity item, but we've got to really pay attention to our machining processes. We got to make sure that we've got the tools and the information. Mark and his team with their book, with their information about what metrology equipment you need to have to properly measure this, and then be able to adjust your machining processes. Sometimes maybe even the equipment like this beautiful Rottler.
And we need to look at this surface beyond the shininess, right?
Absolutely.
It's shiny and beautiful, but that shininess is just the roughness. There may be waviness hiding in this surface. And how do you feel about waviness when you have to squish into that?
Oh, we need a nice, smooth, flat surface, not just simply a nice RA. This is a 7RA, for example, but we need also a flat RA. One that can't be checked with a straight gauge, but needs to be checked with proper digital metrology, which is what these guys specialize in.